Hi, welcome to my video on Grey's Anatomy Developmental Genetics by Lili Edmondson. Here is our developmental network for the TV show Grey's Anatomy, with all of our characters and their pictures. So in the wild type of our network, Mark promotes Addison, who will repress Derek. Repressing Derek stops him from repressing Meredith, which promotes the patient living. So how can one character repress another biologically? Here we have a short segment of DNA with the promoter region and the operator region, as well as the gene. During normal transcription of DNA, a repressor molecule can bind to the operator region and block RNA polymerase from binding to the promoter and moving forward on the DNA. This stops transcription of the gene and does not allow mRNA to be made, and therefore no protein product. In our example, if the gene is Derek and Addison represses him, she would bind to the operator region, which would not allow RNA polymerase to attach and transcribe Derek, so there would be no Derek mRNA or proteins made. Let's look at an example of a single mutant. So in this case, we do not have Mark, and here is our network. So without Mark, there will be no Addison, and without Addison, Derek will not be repressed, which means that Derek will be able to repress Meredith, and the patient will die. Let's look at another example of a single mutant. In this case, we do not have Derek. And here is our network. So without Derek, Meredith will not be repressed, and the patient will live. Now let's look at an example of a double mutant. In this case, we do not have Addison or Mark. Without Addison or Mark, we look at the furthest right character to see the effects, which in this case is Addison. So without Addison, Derek will not be repressed, and he will be able to repress Meredith, which means the patient will die. Here are my references. Thanks for watching.